Hello guys, welcome to my channel all about products. We're here with more awesome products from AliExpress and Amazon. Links are in the description, so don't miss them. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more update. Let's get started. If you love creating videos, taking selfies, or joining online meetings, the TELESIN Creator Kit is a total game changer. It comes with the FunShot magnetic phone grip and the C03 magnetic selfie light, giving you a secure hold and perfect lighting anytime, anywhere. It's fully compatible with both iPhone, MagSafe, and Android, making it super easy to snap on and start shooting. Whether it's for TikTok, Zoom calls, or your next vlog, this kit helps you look sharp and professional every time. Tap the link below to grab yours and create effortlessly. The Anti-Gravity Water Drop. Humidifier isn't just a humidifier, it's a whole vibe. The floating water drops create a relaxing, futuristic look while keeping your air fresh and your space calm. Perfect for bedrooms, desks, or studios. Trust me, it's both soothing and stylish. Grab yours through the link below and elevate your space today. If you've ever wanted to fully step into another world, the VR headset for adults and kids is your ticket. Imagine watching 3D movies that feel like you're inside the action, or playing video games where every move feels real. This foldable headset is super comfortable, fits perfectly, and even comes with built-in Bluetooth headphones for crystal clear sound. Whether you're gaming, exploring virtual worlds, or just having fun with friends and family, it completely transforms the way you experience media. Seriously, it's like having a mini theater and arcade in one. Hit the link below to grab yours and take your entertainment to the next level. If you love chess or want to level up your game, the AI chess robot with robotic arm is a total game changer. It's more than just a chessboard, and it's a full training system with 25 AI difficulty levels, over 1,200 exercises, and an endgame trainer to sharpen your skills. The robotic arm moves the pieces for you, making every game interactive and fun, and you can replay classic matches or get voice coaching as you play. Whether you're a beginner looking to improve or pro wanting a challenge, this chess robot makes learning smarter, faster, and way more engaging. Click the link below to grab yours and take your chess skills to the next level. If you're looking to bring a little luxury into your daily routine, this dual heat towel warmer is an absolute must-have. With multiple heat presets and a sleek stainless steel interior, it ensures your towels are perfectly warm every time, whether it's a quick morning shower or a relaxing evening soak. Safety is built in too with a tip-over auto shutoff, so you can use it worry-free. Plus, it comes with 12 fragrance discs, turning every towel into a lightly scented spa-like experience right at home. It's compact, stylish, and makes the perfect gift for anyone who loves that little touch of indulgence in their bathroom. I've linked the exact one I use in the description. Definitely check it out and treat yourself or someone special to a spa-like upgrade at home. If you're tired of guessing the time or constantly checking your phone while cooking, studying, or even working out, this digital timer Hourglass is a total game changer. It combines the classic Hourglass design with modern digital precision, giving you an accurate countdown while still looking stylish on your desk or kitchen counter. With easy-to-set controls, multiple timing options, and a clear display, it's perfect for everything from brewing the perfect cup of tea to timing focused work sessions or workouts. Compact, portable, and visually appealing, it adds a touch of elegance to any space while keeping you on schedule. Whether you need a reliable timer for productivity, cooking, or fun games, this Hourglass is the perfect blend of style and function. It's durable enough for everyday use, yet chic enough to complement any decor. Plus, it makes a thoughtful gift for friends, family, or anyone who loves combining practicality with style. If you're looking for earbuds that deliver amazing sound and all-day convenience, the BL Live Beam 3 is a must-have. They offer crisp highs, rich mids, and deep bass, making every song, podcast, or call sound incredible. With a comfortable, secure fit, they stay in place whether you're working out, commuting, or just relaxing. Touch controls let you manage music and calls effortlessly, and the long-lasting battery keeps you going all day. Sleek, compact, and sweat-resistant, these earbuds combine style, performance, and practicality in one, perfect for anyone who wants premium sound without the hassle. Transform any room into a calming oasis with the Volcano Fireflame Aromatherapy Diffuser. With its 360 milliliter ultrasonic cool mist, it not only fills your space with your favorite essential oils, but also adds humidity to keep the air fresh and comfortable. The diffuser features 7 soothing color lights, creating the perfect mood whether you're relaxing, working, or meditating. It comes with a timer and auto shut-off for worry-free use, and its unique flame-like design adds a stylish, cozy touch to any home or room. Compact, easy to use, and perfect for gifting, this diffuser turns everyday spaces into a spa-like experience you'll love. Picking fruit has never been easier than with this adjustable fruit picker. With its lightweight stainless steel pole and large basket, you can reach apples, mangoes, pears, oranges, and even avocados without climbing ladders or straining yourself. The basket gently catches the fruit, preventing bruises or damage, while the sturdy design makes it durable enough for regular use. Easy to adjust for different tree heights, it's perfect for home orchards, gardens, or even helping out friends and family. Compact, practical, and simple to use, this fruit picker turns harvesting into a safe, effortless, and even enjoyable experience. Take your DIY projects to the next level with this smart cutting machine. It cuts, writes, and scores with precision on materials like paper, vinyl, and fabric, making every craft project look professional. With easy-to-use controls and access to a library of digital designs, you can start creating personalized cards, home decor, and gifts in minutes. Compact, stylish, and perfect for beginners or experienced crafters, this machine makes creativity effortless and fun. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.